If you think your PC is safe, think again. Malware evolves daily, and outdated scans won't catch what's already infecting your PC. In this video, we will update Defender signatures, verify real-time protection status, and scan specific folders like your downloads folder or USB drives, all using PowerShell commands. Open PowerShell, press Windows plus X, and select Windows PowerShell or Terminal as an administrator. Malware evolves every day. If you are using outdated definitions, your scan might not recognize newer viruses or trojans unless you update the signature definitions. Let's trigger Defender update before scanning. Type env ProgramFiles Windows Defender MpCmdRun.exe SignatureUpdate. This command runs the Microsoft Malware Protection command line utility and tells Windows Defender to perform a signature definitions update. In simple terms, it fetches the latest malware definitions from Microsoft series. Now let's verify if Windows Defender's key protection services are running correctly in real time, which is crucial for advanced users or those scripting defense checks. Type Get-MpComputerStatus, which queries the Microsoft Defender antivirus configuration and status. We will use select object to select only the essential ones related to real-time protection. AM service enabled. Real-time protection enabled. Anti-spyware enabled. And antivirus enabled. On execution, the anti-malware service enabled indicates whether the core Defender service is running. This is the backbone of Defender. If this is false, Defender is likely disabled or tampered with. Defender won't scan anything, even in the background. The real-time protection enabled shows if real-time scanning is enabled. It means Defender will automatically scan files as they are downloaded, opened, or executed. It will also block malicious actions on the fly. If this is false, Defender won't intervene unless you manually scan something. The antivirus spyware enabled tells you whether Defender's anti-spyware engine is active, which handles threats like keyloggers, hardware, spyware, and monitoring tools. If this is off, you are vulnerable to surveillance-based malware. The antivirus enabled indicates whether the antivirus engine is on. This is the module that targets viruses, worms, trojans, and rootkits. If false, your system may be completely unprotected from those traditional threats. This matters because Defender can be disabled silently by malware or registry hacks. This command checks if key protection layers are compromised. Now let's tell Windows Defender to scan a specific folder, in this case the download folder. Type env ProgramFiles Windows Defender MpCmdRun.exe Scan. Scan type 3 is the custom scan type. File is the target path to scan. Let's replace the folder path with the path to our downloads folder to have it scanned for viruses or malware. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Navigate to your downloads folder. Hold down Shift and right-click on the downloads folder. From the context menu, click Copy as Path and paste the path in the command by pressing Ctrl plus V. This command runs a targeted custom scan, specifically for a folder or file path you specify. I prefer this method when I suspect a certain folder or file is infected, which is a much faster scan process than other types of scans. Always use this method to scan suspicious downloads, USB drives, executable files, or extracted zip or RAW files. It targets the threat directly. If you do not know where the threat is, I suggest you use a quick scan. Type env ProgramFiles Windows Defender MpCmdRun.exe Scan type 1 This scans only system-critical locations, such as the memory, registry, running process, common malware startup folders, and key Windows system files. This command uses cache information and signatures to speed things up, which avoids scanning the entire drives or large file collections. Quick scan may miss dormant threats in non-system folders, inactive payloads, or deeply hidden malware in external drives. Unlike a quick scan, a full scan crawls through every file and folder on all mounted drives. Also detects dormant or deeply hidden malware that doesn't trigger real-time detection. To have a full scan, type env ProgramFiles Windows Defender MpCmdRun.exe Scan type 2. A full scan is useful after suspicious activity like browser redirects or unusual network activity. To view the history of malware detections and actions taken by Microsoft Defender antivirus on your system, type Get-MpThreat. It will query the threat detection history database of Microsoft Defender. Here you will get a detailed information about all threats detected. By default, the Get-MpThreat provides properties like category ID, which indicates the category of the threat. ID42 refers to test files. The did threat execute indicates that the file did not run or execute, which means that Defender caught it before execution. Its active false indicates that the threat is no longer active, meaning it has been removed or quarantined. Rollup status 1 indicates that it is cleaned or removed successfully. The severity ID shows the level of severity, and the threat ID is a unique ID for the specific threat type. Threat name is the detected threat name. This confirms Defender is working. And the type ID is a type of malware, Malwarebytes, known to complement Windows Defender, not conflicted, which is perfect for advanced users who want layered security. It provides web protection, which protects your personal information from being stolen during web browsing, and also utilizes machine learning to detect new or known threats faster than traditional signature-based systems, which is ideal as a second layer of defense for power users and advanced scans. The link to access Malwarebytes is pinned in the comment section below.